Welcome back to AutoBig8, the place where we bring you the hottest machines on wheels, the latest auto releases, deep dive reviews, raw engine sounds, and everything in between. If it's powerful, stylish, or just plain cool, we cover it here. So, buckle up and let's hit the road. Today we are diving deep into one of the most iconic names in the pickup truck world, a name that screams raw power, aggressive design, unmatched off-road ability, and sheer dominance in the truck market. Yes, we're talking about the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor. This beast has evolved into something even more exciting in 2025, and in this video, we're going to explore everything about it, from its muscular sound, luxurious and rugged interior, and of course, the price point that comes with all this power. Let's start with something that really excites the sense of the sound of the 2025 Raptor. Ford has fine-tuned the acoustics of this monster, and you can feel it the moment you press that ignition button. The engine roars to life with a deep, aggressive growl that sends vibrations through your spine. The sound signature of the Raptor is more than just noisy, it's a statement. It says, "I'm here, and I own this road." For the 2025 model, Ford continues to offer the high-output 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, which is tuned to deliver an estimated 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. But it's not just about numbers. It's about how that power is delivered. Step on the gas, and you get an immediate, powerful response, matched with a throaty, booming exhaust note that's been engineered to sound more natural and authentic. Ford uses an active valve exhaust system which allows the driver to switch between quiet, normal, sport, and Baja modes, depending on the experience you're looking for. Quiet mode is perfect for early morning starts in your neighborhood. Sport and Baja. That's where the beast is truly unleashed. But the Raptor isn't just about external drama. Inside the cabin, the sound experience continues. Ford has worked on active noise control in the interior, giving you the choice to enjoy the deep engine soundtrack or enjoy a serene ride with very little external noise entering the cabin. The cabin insulation is excellent, and the placement of acoustic glass in key areas helps isolate road and wind noise. Whether you're conquering sand dunes or cruising on the highway, the 2025 Raptor offers a sound experience that's totally under your control. Now, speaking of the cabin, let's talk about the interior, which has seen a serious upgrade for 2025. Gone are the days when trucks were purely work vehicles with bare-bones interiors. The 2025 Raptor is a true blend of utility and luxury, offering comfort, style, and high-tech innovation all in one package. Climb inside, and you're greeted with premium materials everywhere you look. The dashboard design is bold and modern, with soft touch materials, real metal accents, and even optional carbon fiber trim. You get the choice between cloth, leather, and upgraded Recaro sport seats with Alcantara inserts, depending on the trim and package you go with. The seats are wide, comfortable, and supportive, designed for long rides and rough trails. The front seats are heated, ventilated, and power adjustable, with memory settings. In higher trims, the rear seats also get heating, making this a very comfortable ride for all passengers. The centerpiece of the interior is the massive 12-inch digital gauge cluster that is fully customizable. You can see everything from speed, tachometer, fuel range, off-road settings, suspension details, pitch and roll, and more. It's a tech lover's dream. And right next to it is a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by Ford's Sync 4 interface. This system is slick, responsive, and packed with features: a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice-activated navigation, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and access to over-the-air updates. You also get split-screen functionality, allowing you to run navigation and audio controls at the same time. Audio-wise, Ford hasn't held back either. The Raptor offers an optional Bang & Olufsen sound system with 18 speakers including a subwoofer, delivering crystal clear audio that fills the cabin. Whether you're listening to classic rock, hip-hop, or the sound of nature on a trail, this system ensures you hear every detail. The Raptor's interior also emphasizes utility. The center console is huge and offers a flat work surface, perfect if you need to use a laptop or take notes while out on the job. There's also a clever stowaway gear shifter that folds flat to create additional workspace. The rear seats flip up to reveal more storage beneath them, and the cabin is loaded with USB port, wireless charging pads, and even a 120-volt outlet. One of the biggest updates in the 2025 model is Ford's upgraded trail control and trail turn assist systems. These off-road techs are easily accessible from the dash, and they let you conquer tricky trails like a pro. You can also opt for the 360-degree camera system, which gives you a complete view around the truck, super handy for tight off-road paths or parking in the city. The materials, fit, and finish in the 2025 Raptor are among the best in the full-size truck category. You can go full luxury or opt for a more rugged, functional interior depending on how you plan to use the truck. Either way, you're getting top-tier build quality. Now, let's talk price. The 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor doesn't come cheap, but it offers a ton of value considering what you get. The base price starts at around $78,000. That's for the standard Raptor with the EcoBoost engine and base features. However, with add-ons like the 37-inch tire package, Recaro seats, moonroof tailgate package, and the BO sound system, you can easily push the price north of $90,000, and in some configurations, over $100,000. That might sound like a lot, but when you compare what you're getting at a high-performance off-road machine, a luxury SUV interior, cutting-edge tech, and unmatched road presence, it becomes clear that the Raptor is more than worth the cost for those who can afford it. And remember, Ford also offers a Raptor R version, which is a whole different beast. That variant comes with a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine that delivers over 700 horsepower. It starts at over $110,000 and competes directly with trucks like the Ram TRX. But even the standard Raptor is more than enough for most drivers. It's important to consider the total cost of ownership as well. Ford offers excellent warranty coverage and maintenance packages. Fuel economy is not its strong suit, of course, with estimates around 15 miles per gallon city and 18 miles per gallon highway, but you're not buying a Raptor for fuel efficiency, you're buying it for power, capability, and sheer thrill. As for availability, the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor is now hitting dealerships across the US, and initial demand is already high. If you're thinking of getting one, you'll want to contact your local Ford dealer soon to check on inventory or place a custom order. With the supply chain steadily improving, we expect delivery times to be more predictable in 2025 compared to the delays we saw in the past few years. So, what do you think about the 2025 Raptor? It's loud, it's luxurious, and it's ready for anything you throw at it. Whether you're climbing mountains, tearing through the desert, or cruising down the freeway, this truck delivers on all fronts. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap. You've got that unmistakable, deep exhaust sound, made better with an active valve system. You've got a premium interior with advanced tech, top-shelf materials, and comfort features. And you've got serious off-road capabilities backed by years of Ford engineering and innovation. The 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor is not just a truck, it's an experience. It's designed for drivers who want the best of both worlds, luxury and performance, refinement and toughness. And in our book, it's absolutely one of the most exciting trucks of 2025. Thanks for riding with us today on Auto Big 8. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth automotive content, and drop us a comment below. What's your favorite feature of the new Raptor? Would you go for the standard model or step up to the Raptor R? We'll see you next time. Until then, keep your wheels spinning and your engines roaring. Let me know if you'd like a version translated into Thai or Japanese, or if you'd like a shorter version for Instagram or TikTok Reels.